Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I will show you how to make a 20,000 mAh power bank. Here you can see that lithium ion battery cell. To make this power bank, I found this cell from old laptop batteries. Here you can see that I will be used a lithium ion battery cell. Here you can see that 18610 battery cells. Dear friend, to make this power bank, I will use this power bank case, 20,000 mAh power bank case. Here you can see that specs of this power bank. Dear friend, there is negative side of this power bank and there is positive side. Now let's put this cell. There is button of this power bank. So friend, here you can see that I insert all these lithium ion battery cell. Dear friend, now let's test this power bank. There's charging port. Here you can see that. Here you can see that it's working perfectly. Now let's close this body. Here's cover. So friend, power bank has been ready to use. Here you can see that. Dear friend, now let's test laptop charging test. Here you can see that there is my SL110 laptop. Now let's test this. Here is charging port. Here you can see that it's charging with the help of power bank. So friend, that's all about from my this video. If you like my this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for my next project notification. Have a great day.